Hey everybody, I'm Trish from Foldfactory, and this is your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Thanks for watching. This week's super cool fold is from my good friends at Graphic Visual Solutions in Greensboro, North Carolina. This is a piece they produced for client Domtar, and this is part of a larger promotion, actually, a higher ed type of a theme. And so this is a sample self-mailer, and I love this format. It's actually a hybrid format, and paper, by the way, is Cougar Digital Super Smooth 100-pound text. And this is, as I said, a hybrid format. This is a closed gate stepped accordion hybrid. So it's the characteristics of a closed gate, the characteristics of stepped accordion combined into one. So the mailing panel's back here, fold at the bottom, of course, and then you open it up, and you can see here it has the closed gate characteristics right here. So that's a closed gate. If you watch Fold of the Week, you know that. There's also a nice die cut, which I really liked. It's very dynamic. The design is really nice. And then there's also a stepped accordion right here. So it pulls out like this. So you've got stepped accordion plus closed gate combined into one format. So I love that. You've got this really nice reveal panel over here, fun die cut. Really nice use of visuals, but then you get that great kind of organized sense of, you know, separating content and putting it into these stepped tabs. So really nice layout, great use of format. I love these kind of hybrid formats that are really flexible, so I hope you like it. That's your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Creative, hybrid, closed gate, stepped accordion mailer. Forward this to your friends and colleagues, keep the dialogue going. And viewers, please send me your folds if I use them. I'll send you free stuff. Visit foldfactory.com for folded samples, dialogues, and print. And remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.